Hello, beautiful people. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you're watching from. I'm Rao_KE, and I'm really glad to tell you people that I'm kindly at 900 subscribers. Guys, it's all by your making. It's not my own making, and I don't take it for granted. Thank you for always standing by to check on my channel. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking, and thank you for everything, even to taking me to 900 subscribers. It's all by your grace, not by my own making. And in this video today, I'm going to make I want to make some juice because it's another hot day, so I feel like I want to drink some juice. So it's already getting late in the night. It's almost 7 p.m. now, but there's no limit for what to eat at what time. Okay, so I'm going to make my juice, but I also want to show you how my blends look like when I close it. I close it and I can leave it like that, or I can leave it halfway. I like it this way, so that a little bit of light, a little bit of reflection from outside as well. All right, anyway, that's not important. That's not the key thing I'm talking about tonight. I prepared my food already, and now I want to make some juice so that when I will be eating the food, I can also get some juice to drink. So here with me, I have my blender. I always use my ordinary blender for my juices. I have my blender, and I have some mangoes which are almost expiring. They're not bad, but they're overripe, so I'm gonna wash them because I'm going to use them for my juice. I'm going to use the mangoes too, and as well I'm going to make a cocktail. I'm going to mix the juices. I have mango and I have some fruits over here that I'm going to use as well. So it's pineapple and melon. It's not watermelon, it's just another type of melon, this kind of melon. So I'm going to use this. For test one melon. So I'll put the pineapples here. I'm going to make pineapple, melon, and mango together. I'll check the condition of the mangoes. If they're not good, then I will not use them. But they're still okay because they're just over ripened. They were in the fridge, so the color definitely changes. They're still good. So mango, go there. Guys, the mosquitoes are back. For mosquitoes to come back to life. You can see them flying around. Just put them there. Okay, actually they're very sweet mangoes. So these mangoes are going to be mixed with the pineapples and like a cocktail, yeah. I could have blended them separately, but I just want to mix them together. I could have blended them separately, then I mix after blending, but I just want to do it together. Okay, so that's it. Just give a rest to my hand. And I don't want to use the tap water, so I'm gonna get some water from the drinking water. There's a mosquito here. Mosquito! So I'm going to put the water, a little bit of water, and some syrup if possible, but I don't want to put anything else. I'm just gonna use it like that. Sorry, where's the top of the cup of my blender? I cannot find the top part of my blender. Where is it? I hope it's clear. So I've put some water here, and now it's time to cover this and to plug it and see how it goes. Remember, it's pineapple. Shake it so there's enough room for it to mix. Let me move it a bit closer for you guys to see what I'm doing. Oh. And a little bit, because it's too thick, I don't want it thick as much. And it should be enough for all of us. So this is pineapple, mango, and the winter melon, the white melon. Let's see how it looks like. What is it? Very nice. No need to sieve. We're just gonna eat it, use it like that. If somebody wants to sieve, they'll sieve by themselves. But I can give it a little bit of more blending. It's actually very nice. That's all. So that's the juice for today. So guys, that's the juice I made for today. So we will drink this later and put it in the fridge to chill a bit before we drink it. The juice is actually ready. Here, this is my pitcher. Mango, pineapple, and the melon together. So I'll keep this one in the fridge for some time to enable it to cool down, so you can drink it when it's cool. It's better when it's chilled, yeah? I cannot find the lid at this time. So guys, that's how I make my juice, homemade juice, good for us. I'll keep it in the fridge. I cannot find the lid and I don't want to start looking for that now. I'll keep it here for until when we are ready to use it. Just like that, that's how I make my homemade juice, guys. Just like that. Okay, just like that, that's how I make my homemade juice. And now the juice is ready to be taken. I keep it in the fridge to cool down. I keep it in the fridge to cool down for some time. Then later on we can use it. And meanwhile, I can clean up this place, because I always tell you that I don't want to leave my sink dirty. When I finish working, I clean up my top so that I set it ready for another use. So I'll just clean up this too. But this one seems like I still want to drink. So I'll clean up this too, and then thank you guys for watching. Rao_ is my YouTube name. Kindly consider liking my videos, sharing with your communities, and taking me to 1,000 subscribers. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.